Yeah, so this is the last box. It's a fire alarm box, and it's connecting tubes that go to other alarm boxes, and then one of the tubes in this box actually goes back up to the first floor to a computer that controls the strobes and the announcers, the horns that go off in these boxes, and then so from an alarm box like this, the wiring goes from here. It goes up to that box, which is a smoke alarm that has to be in the ceiling. Smoke rises, of course, and it's a smoke detector that goes into that box. And then they're wired over. Each of these coffers or ceiling cavities needs a smoke detector in it because it doesn't pass from one bay to the other. So it goes on over to there, and then there's one that comes over here and goes into that cavity in the ceiling. There are four big cavities now. Okay, so we've got two more pipes in here. We got one more to go. That'll be the smoke detectors for this room. There'll probably be 4 of them that we need to put in. And so here are the pipes. They go up here and then on down and around. All right.